Hey everybody, it's your girl JaleaNicole, and I am back here with a get ready with me, a different one. It's been a while since I've done one with my hair and my makeup, but with my natural hair and me doing some straightening and curling of my TWA. And in this video I will show you the products that I use, and as well as I will show you the products that I use for my face. Today is a very low maintenance. It's the middle of the summer, it's hot, but I have somewhere to be. We got a cookout, we're going to hang out, you know, something very low maintenance that I shouldn't sweat off. And in this video, it's a very different get ready with me because I'm using a lot of products I've never used before. I am doing a get ready with me triathlon, legitimately triathlon. I am trying a new foundation okay, let me say this. Almost all the cosmetic products that I use for my face, bulk of them come from Sally's. And it just happened that way, and I just wanted to see how it goes. So the foundation that I'm using is by Col-lab. If you guys haven't seen this in your local Sally's, you're missing out. Miss Raven Elise is on there, Samaj, X Sparkage. They all collaborated, Wesley Benjamin Carter. I can't remember all the names that were up there, but those are the ones that stood out to me because I know, you know, I've seen them before. This line is created by influencers, or, you know, like they got to really work on it, and it's in a drugstore, I don't know really what to call Sally's. It's a professional store, so it's high quality things. And the foundation itself was $14.80 something. Paid like, I didn't pay $15. It was like $14.80 something, $14.90 something for this foundation. It is in the color caramel. In the next video that won't be included in this, I'm actually going to do a full review. I'm going to do a fuller review than I've ever done, because today I'm going to track how long and what time, and, like, you know, things like that, the wear of it. It is a velvety finish smooth foundation is what it claims, and that's kind of what I've gotten so far. So I'm going to just give you guys that tidbit there. Sorry I say so much. I'm also trying a new lip product called Raspberry Jelly by CoverGirl. It is their Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. And I wish I had a different color. Not that I don't like this one. I want a mauve color, like a pinky. I want to try one in a pinky color. It feels very moisturizing, so it feels promising. Not only that, another Sally's product that I'm trying are these Moon Glow Shimmer Sticks. I have 2 of them. Y'all, I got them because they were already on sale for $1.29, I believe, and it was 50% off of that, so they're like 70 cents. So I was like, you know what? This is something I'd use during the summertime just to do whatever. In Toasted Glow and Frosted Glow. Toasted, frosted. And I just kind of mixed them up to give my eye some type of shimmer, a very natural low beam, if you want to say it like that, very low beam look. And the primer that I use today comes from Sally's as well. It is my Porcelain Skin by Real Colors. Now, just a little tidbit I want to share on the side, because Sally's is having a sale. No, this is not sponsored, but I am a frugal mommy. I'm a frugal just lady in general, not even just mommy. Before having kids, I was frugal. So I got myself these Bomb Summer Color polishes for $2 or $2.50. Yeah, let me see. They were all $4.99, so they were $2.50, $2.49. And I have C&D's Creative Paint Nail Lacquer in Blush on You. And I picked this up because you guys see the nails that I have now. I was in a wedding this past weekend, and this is a gel color, but when I don't have the gel color, I wanted to wear this color again. I got so many compliments on it. I feel so pretty in it. I had to find a match. And I have another C&D color in Life's a Cupcake. Sorry, I couldn't get the sticker off in time. Ooh, I couldn't get the sticker off in time. And as you could tell, and don't worry about all that. Oh, I got mascara on my hand, sorry. Lighter than the pink that I'm currently wearing. It's a frosty, like it's not frosty, it's a baby pink, cotton candy-ish. And then, because I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I'd never got on the trend for white toenails or white fingernails. It freaks me out a little bit, just to be real honest. So I got this one. It is a off-white, and I said, you know what, Jalea, you're brave enough to try that, and for $2.50, why not? So it's by Endless Wear, and it is in Nude Sketch. So I just wanted to share those quick little jewels that I found at the store while I was, you know, looking around and getting my hair color and whatnot, because that'll be in a separate video on my updated hair routine. Well, look, you guys, I'm so sorry this intro is long. It's been a while since I talked to you, and you guys got to know the setup. So if you want to see how I got my hair done, it will be the first part of the video, and it will be done in super speed, just so you're not here all day, because all I did was curl it. But I'll show you like how I rolled my hands and things like that, and how I laid my sides down. And then you guys will get into the face, a very, very simple face, a very short face. So if this video lasts more than 20, my apologies, but it shouldn't. But this whole look took me about 30 minutes. So hopefully I can chop off about 10 to 15 of the nothingness that was involved. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.